touch, I can with just one touch, I can feel my body giving.
So, good day class. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you seen farmers selling vegetable in the market? Have you seen people selling fish or vegetable through online or Facebook? Very good. So today we will talk about farm to market enterprise planning. This means planning how farm tools go from production until they are sold to customers. So now our objective for today, first you should be able to explain why planning is important in farming and fishing. Second is you should understand how technology helps improve production and marketing. Then third, you will create your own simple digital farm to market enterprise plan. Let us begin with some picture. Here, we see farmers selling in the local market. And here, we see online selling of vegetables and fish. And here, we see properly packaging from products. Now I have a situation for you guys. Some farmers earn more income because they do not plan properly. And they only sell in one place. But some farmers earn more because they use technology like online selling and digital marketing. So my question is, how can technology help farmers increase their income? Very good answer. Yes, they can sell on Facebook, accept online orders, and use digital even farm apps.
So, good day class. I'm Amdi Salbabo and today we will discuss the steps in farm to market process and how technology helps in farmers increase their income. So, let's begin. So, first, planning. Planning is very important in farming. Before planting, farmers check weather forecast online. They also study what crops are demand in the market. With proper planning, farmers can avoid losses and increase productivity. So second one is production. So production includes planting and taking care of crops. Farmers now use modern tools and equipment. So some use tractors, irrigation system, and even even mobile apps to monitor their farms. So because of that technology, farming becomes faster, easier, and more efficient. So third one is harvesting. Harvesting means collecting of crops at the right time. So technology helps farmer monitor their growth. Some use sensors or simple monitoring app to know when crops are ready. So harvesting at the right time ensure better quality products. So fourth one, post harvest. So after harvesting, crops must be cleaned, sorted, packaged, and stored properly. So by good packaging and cold storage, keep products fresh and attractive. This also increase their market value. So fifth one is marketing. Before farmers only sold their products in local markets, now they can use social media and online platforms to sell their products. This help them reach their this help them reach their reach more customers and earn higher profit. So now class, what are the benefits of using technology in farming? Okay, very good. So technology gives better quality, faster selling, wider market, and higher income. So what So class, what did we learn today? Okay, we learned that proper planning increases productivity. Technology makes farming easier and more efficient. So by good packaging keeps products fresh and attractive. Online marketing helps reach more buyers. So always remember, planning plus technology equals higher income. So now, your task is you will create your own digital farm to market and enterprise plan. So first, choose a product. Second one, make a production plan. Third one, compute your costing using spreadsheet. Fourth one, plan your packaging and storage. Fifth one, create and create a sample online advertisement. So all your outputs will be complied in your e-portfolio. So okay, so before we end our lesson, so answer the following questions so in your notebook. So how did technology help in your enterprise plan? Second one, what did you learn about farm to market processes? Third one, how can you apply this in real life? So that's all for today, class. So thank you and see you next meeting.